Being irreplaceable at work isn't about being the best at everything. It's about delivering unique value to your team, your organization, or your industry that no one else can do, and it's a unique skill set that you have. Naval Ravikant talks about productizing ourselves, which means finding out exactly what we're naturally good at and applying as much energy, effort, and leverage into it as possible. I'm sharing 4 top ways to become irreplaceable at work. Number 1, discover your natural talent. Ravikant says, find what feels like play to you but looks like work to others. To escape the competition through authenticity by being yourself. Too often we chase after the hardest challenges, trying to force ourselves to grow in areas that doesn't come naturally to us. In doing so, we only create more barriers and friction between ourselves and attaining our dream. Our brain is wired to gravitate towards pleasure and away from pain. So we should rather lean into something that we're naturally good at and start from there. Focusing on things that comes naturally to us accelerates our path to success. Talent alone isn't enough. We will still need to put in the work consistently. But when we pour that work, that energy, and that effort into something that lights us up, success will come sooner than later. So go out and find out what resonates with you, what comes naturally to you, and constantly improve your ability to become the best at it. Number 2, continue learning to build on your skill set. Every moment is a chance to grow, a chance to elevate yourself and become the best version of who you were meant to be. This is why learning is a never-ending journey for all of us, regardless of the years of experience you have working in corporate, regardless of the industry you're in, and regardless of the qualifications that you have. In a world full of distractions, the ones who rise above that noise achieve greatness. So focus on building a skill set that is unique to you and watch how the people around you start to notice. Number 3, your day job is your competitive advantage. While some may view their job as just a paycheck, it's actually a gold mine for personal and professional growth. Our day job can become our greatest competitive advantage if we use our time at work to learn new skills and to network with other professionals. Our day job also exposes us to challenges, problems, and situations that allows us to develop practical, hands-on experience in real time. It's one thing to learn theories and concepts, but it's another to apply it practically. With this experience, we can use it to sharpen our problem-solving skills and develop a deeper understanding of the industry that we're in. As a result of this progress, we develop value because of our competitive advantage. Number 4, show up for your audience daily. Discipline means doing things that we need to do even when we don't feel like it. So that means showing up for our audience even on those tough days when we don't feel like putting in the hard work. When we do this, that is where our real edge comes from. We need to be ready to work on things and constantly improve on it longer than others. Too many of us quit just when we're so close to achieving results, because we're tired or because we feel like we may not have made progress. So the key is to show up every day and put in the hard work every day, even when no one is clapping for us. So that's my video for today. Be sure to drop a comment in the comment section and let me know if this video was of value to you. I'm Olisha Naicker, and I will see you all in the next video.